In this video, we will discuss creating a Civil 3D surface from point clouds. If you'd like to follow on with this video, please open the file creating a Civil 3D surface from point clouds.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. Civil 3D provides a way for you to use point clouds as a Civil 3D surface that you can then use for design or as an existing ground. Notice how I already have a point cloud in my drawing. Let's select it, go to point cloud properties, and let's set it to a no display style so that it will disappear from our drawing and our view is less congested. Right click on the EG point cloud. Let's click on add points to surface. And let's go ahead and call our surface EG. We'll give it a style here. Click next. Notice the options to specify a region. You can do the point cloud extents, a window polygon, or an existing object. Let's go ahead and leave it at point cloud extents and click next. And then we'll click finish here and our surface will get generated. This is a really pretty cool feature, but one of the problems with point clouds is the density at which the surface gets generated. Let's go ahead and change our style to a one with tins on it. And you'll notice that the triangles are very dense because of all the points in this surface. In this case, you can simplify your surface. Let's go ahead and expand the EG surface. We'll right click on edits and go to simplify surface. You can do an edge contraction, but in this case, we want to actually do a point removal. We'll click on point removal, click next. You can use the existing surface, or of course, if you want to do a specific region, in this case, we want to do the whole surface, click next, and then you can define the percentage. Now, of course, be aware of the problem that can occur here. If you take out too much of the surface, you will not have an accurate surface. So probably start with low percentages, and remember, these are surface edits. If you make a mistake, it's not a big deal. You can simply right-click on the edits collection and remove the specific simplify surface edit that you did. We'll just leave it at 25% here, and we'll click finish, and our surface will get simplified. That's one way that you can use point clouds as a Civil 3D surface.